Hello, my dear family members. Many of you have exams of PWC in 19th September. That's why I'm making this video for your betterment. In this video, we'll discuss some previous year questions that was asked on 2022. So let's see what are the questions. So this is the first problem. In this type of problem, you will be given an input example and you have to follow the same steps they have followed by arranging and rearranging the numbers, right? And you will be given an input, you have to follow the same, right? Okay, now let's look at the example input, that is 101 85 66 49 73 39, then 142 and 25, then 115 and 74. So look at the steps now. At the first they have brought the smallest element at the first index, so we have to follow the same. So in this input, what is the smallest element? That is 25. So at the first step we'll bring the smallest element at the first position, and then they have brought the largest element at the last index in the second step. So we'll bring the largest element in our case, that is 142, at the last, right? So 142 is the second step, and then we will shift as they shifted, right? And then in the third step they start repeating the steps they have followed in the first and second step, right? So now we will bring the second largest element in the second step now. Sorry, second smallest element in the second step, second position now. So what is the second smallest element? That is 39. So 39 here. So this is the third step, and then the second largest element, that is 115. So it will be here 115. So this is the fourth step, and then the third smallest element, that is 49. So this will be here. So now this is the fifth step. Then the third largest element, that is 101. So this will be here, right? So this is the sixth step, and then the fourth smallest element, that is 73, right? Or sorry, 66. So 66 will be here. So this is the seventh step, and then the fourth largest element, that is 85, right? So this will be here, and if you shifted the elements according to them, then you will see 73 and 74 already here, and you will see the after 8th step you will rearrange the elements in ascending order, right? So 25 39 49 66 73 74 85 101 115 142, right? So this is the question, in how many steps will be it is required for getting the final output for the following. So option D will be correct in this case. So option D 8 will be correct, right? Okay, let's go to the next question. So this question is from missing number, and this is very clear that the pattern follows the prime number. So 2 3 5 7 11 13 and 17, right? So 13 will be the right answer in this case. I should not answer this, but still I did it. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's go to the next question, that is also from missing number. So the question is 522 1235, then 2661, then 48007652 and 11217, right? So how does next term of 522 come? Let's see. If we just add 1 multiply 713, then we will get 1235, and then if we add 2 multiply 713, then we will get 2661. If we add 2661 with plus 3 into 713, we will get 4800. Similarly, if we just add 4 multiply 713, then we will get 7652, and if we multiply, just we are increasing this number, right? So 5 multiplies 713, then you will get 11217. And if we increase this number again, so 6 multiplies 713 will be the correct answer in our case, right? So the correct answer will be 15495, right? So option A will be correct, right? Okay, I hope you have got it. Okay, now let's go to the next question. That is, P is 60 meters southeast of Q, right? So actually in this type of problem, while reading, start drawing the diagram. So P is 60 meters southeast of Q. That means Q is here and P is in the southeast direction, right? So southeast direction, this is 60 meter distance. And R is 60 meter northeast of Q. So R is 60 meter northeast of Q, right? So the question is, then R is in which direction of P? So R is in the north direction of P, right? So the answer will be A. Okay, I hope you have got the answer. Okay, the next question is also from direction base. So the question is, read the following information for answering the question that follow. On a playing ground, A, B, C, D and E are standing as described below facing the north. So facing north is the important term in this question, right? Now follow the instruction. B is 50 meters to the right of D. So if D stands here, then B stands here. This is 50 meter. And the next instruction is A is 60 meters to the south of B. So this is 60 meters and south of B, A stands here. And the third instruction, C is 40 meters to the west of D. To the west of D, C stands here. This is 40 meters, right? And E is 80 meters to the north of A. So north of A means here, right? So here E present. So this should be 20 meter, right? So altogether this will become 80 meter, right? Okay, now the question is, if a boy walks from C, meets D, followed by B, A and then E, how many meters has he walked if he has travelled the straight distance although? Actually many students, by confusion they made mistake here. Okay, let me answer that. At first C starts from here and meet D, so this is 40 meter, and meet B, this is 50 meter again, so this is total 90 meter. Then meet A, so this is 60 meter, right? So 90 plus 60 is 150 meter. Then return to B, right, to meet E, so this is again 60 meter. So 150 plus 60, that is 210, right? Now to the E, so this is 20 meter, right? So 210 plus 20, that is altogether 230 meter he covered. So in this case option D will be correct answer, right? Okay, the next question is from this section as well. That is, what is the minimum distance between C and E? So we have to implement the Pythagoras rule, right? So according to Pythagoras rule, we have to root over of 90 square plus root over of 20 square, right? Because total CB distance and BE distance. So 90 square plus 20 square is root over of 8464, I think, right? Calculate it from your side. I am not increasing that video time, and this will be quite approximate value, that is 92, right? So the distance will be from C to E will be 92 approximately, not exactly, right? Okay, I hope you have got the logic, right? Okay, let's see what is the next question. The next question is, who is the southeast of the person who is the left of D? So left of D is who? Left of D is C, right? So who is the southeast of C? So southeast of C is A, right? So the answer in this case A, right? Okay, I hope you have got the logic. Okay, let's go to the next question. So a man was walking in the evening just before the sunset. His wife said that his shadow fell on his right. If the wife was walking in the opposite direction of the man, then which direction the wife was facing? So this is from also direction based, right? So please pause the video and try to give me the answer. Okay, I hope you have tried this, right? Okay, let's see. This is evening time, right? So at evening, the sun is on the west direction. So now it is mentioned that his wife said that his shadow fell on his right. So the man's shadow in his right. So if any object present here, his or her shadow will be in this direction, right? So his shadow is in this direction, right? So this is clear that the woman is present here, right? So that's, and both are pointing towards each other, that means opposite direction, right? So it is clear that the woman is facing to the south direction, right? So in this case the option C will be correct, right? Okay, I hope you have got the logic. So I hope this session was very much helpful to you. If you think so, please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding PWC preparation, and please suggest me content on which I should make video. Thank you for today's session.